Right, so I, for my sins, have been smoking since I was 11 and I've just turned 60. So 49 years of smoking. I packed up, last time I packed up was about 2014, and I think I managed about, not long was it that time?
Was it about 2 months?
Only about a couple of months, and just smoked ever since. And I think I've tried once more before that, that lasted about 8 weeks. So that's me. So
I've smoked since I was 16. So I'm just turned 37. So yeah, like 20 odd years. There's a poster in the doctors, isn't there? Like this one behind.
yeah, and also when you go for like your asthma check, as you can imagine, obviously we were advised always to have, we thought about stopping smoking and that, and like we've got a team now at the doctors, and this one time we just said, yeah, make an appointment, and
it was pretty quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We said it the one day. Oh yeah, I think, yeah, we're ready now, we're ready to quit. We had the appointment, was it that week, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, same week, I'm sure it was, yeah.
So, yeah.
Seems a long time ago now.
It does. It's good, isn't it, to be fair? It's really good.
Yeah.
You feel supported, you feel listened to, you know, you can be open and honest, do you know what I mean? Not be judged, innit?
Yeah.
So,
and it is best to be honest.
yeah.
And say, it's no good saying you smoke 10 a day when in fact you smoke 30 a day, because, do you know what I mean? Just
They could tell with that reader thing anyway.
Yeah.
The alarm, what.
yeah, the carbon dioxide monitor thing.
Yeah, the
was
monitor.
It? Yeah.
That was quite high at first, wasn't it? But then the real positive is obviously coming to your appointments, and once you've quit, blowing into that machine again and seeing a low number and it's not going "Rah!" at you. It's quite, do you know what I mean? It's positive. It's like, oh wow, you know, it is working. Makes you feel better. So yeah. Do you know, I look at the app that I've downloaded, you know, it tells you how much time you've saved, how much money you've saved. Do you know what I mean? There's different, there's like a little, I can't remember, there's like little things on there that says, you know, once you've quit for so long, your health improves by doing this. And it everything tastes really nice now, doesn't it? It smells really nice.
Definitely tastes different.
But like on this app I've got as well, there is little things on there, like if you're feeling like you want a cigarette, you can go on there and there's like, I'm trying to think, I can't even remember what they're called, but there's like little things on there for you to do, like little games to take your mind off it and that as well, and then like little quotes. And I think the kids though is the main, my kids, isn't it? Like they've said, their pride, and so I think that will keep us going, won't it?
Yeah. Don't really enter your head that often, does it now? And if it does, it passes really quickly. Sometimes you might think, oh, I could just have a fag. And then you think, no, I don't smoke. Do you know what I mean?
When you smell it as well.
It don't bother me, to be fair, the smell.
No, so when I smell it now, I'm like, oh, I used to smell like that.